Hello Polygon Matic holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you're doing well, guys. Once again, I'm talking about Polygon Matic. What's going on in the Polygon? What's the price? What's the changes occur on the Polygon Matic? Let me show you guys. And in this video, I'm also going to detect the next move of Polygon Matic, guys. Keep watch this video complete for more and better understanding, guys. And if you're new to my channel, also make sure to subscribe my channel for more news and update video about Polygon Matic, guys. The right now price of Polygon Matic is about 1.25 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Polygon. Furthermore, guys, if we talk about the changes occur in the Polygon Matic, so you can see here last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, changes occur in the Polygon Matic are completely going in the lows, guys. Going completely in the lows, guys. I'm very sad to see Polygon Matic changes, guys, because that's really a huge loss. Let me show you the price chart. Oh my god, I think you can see here if I zoom the chart. So still, guys, you can see here in the right now situation also Polygon are also going in the lows, guys. So alert, guys, that is a sign of alert. If the Polygon price are going still negative, so alert, guys. Negative 7.89% changes occur in the Polygon Matic in the last 24 hours, so 1.37 USD dollar. That is the highest price of Polygon, and the right now price is 1.25 cent. That is the right now price. So now, guys, my prediction is like that tomorrow, possibilities that tomorrow Polygon price dumps, and after tomorrow, guys, again there is possibilities that the price would start jumping, guys. Anyways, what do you think? What is your prediction? What is your opinion about Polygon? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.